Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to run the picture test on this TV. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings. Now tap on the option support, tap on device care. Just wait for a few seconds. Then tap on self-diagnosis. So in this page, you can see the option picture test. To run the picture test, tap on this one. You can see the message. The test photo will now be shown. Please look carefully at the screen for next 5 seconds. You can see the pictures. Does the test picture look normal? Then we need to give the confirmation. Now I'm going to go for with yes. Close. Now simply in this way we can run the picture test on this TV. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.